What's going on, you guys, and welcome back. It's your boy Phil Roy Jenkins. Hope you guys are having a good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you guys are watching this. Sorry that I haven't made any videos in about 2 months or so. I've been getting parts, I've been waiting on parts, and while I've been waiting on that box I just showed you, 4piston, open up in a second, I have been gathering some all-wheel drive stuff. So we'll be opening the 4piston box. We'll also be opening up this box also from S1 Built. And if you guys can see here, a Freelander drive shaft. So yeah, I've been gathering parts for the all-wheel drive. I got the diff, drive shaft. I got the S1. Just got to get the transmission and get the S1 Built rear diff kit so I can mount everything up properly. But before I do that, I got to take the CRV diff, and weld the clutch pack in it and remove the double pumper. And another thing I'll get to in a second, I decided not to build the B16 because it just really weren't worth it. So I sold everything and I got rid of all of it and picked up a new block. So with the B16 block, from one company I was going to take it to, it was like $970 to get it done. I was like, damn, $300 more, I can just get a sleeved block. So that's what we're going to do. All right, enough talking. Let's open up this 4piston box because I haven't opened up this thing at all yet. Oh man, battery died on me, y'all. Alright, that should be out. Oh man. Oh, dude. What are these? These are old LMAs, I think. Yeah. I like how they package all of this up. They was... Huh. Ooh, got some 4piston stickers. That's gonna be nice. Put that in my car. Oh man. Alright, here guys go. Fully ported and polished. It has the Ferrera turbo valves in it. I think that's how you say that name correctly. Poured it. Fortunately, I don't want to open it. I don't want to get it dirty because I'm not putting it on yet. So you guys can see. Hopefully you can. It has Super Tech. I think they're 85-pound springs and retainers on them. Very nice. Very nice. And I love how they even put the 4P on them. Now, I just got to put my Skunk 2 LMAs in it and my VTEC lockout. And I am going to run Comfort turbo cams. If I'm not mistaken, they are a 292 by 294. And I got to go inside the house and grab those and show y'all. And this other package, like I said earlier, this is from S1 Built. It is actually the DIY kit for the Freelander drive shaft. And another thing that I got was a CCC Racing drag wing carbon fiber wrap. Yeah, they did a very good job on wrapping this with the carbon fiber wrap. So when I was off camera, I went ahead and I cut the B pillars and the A pillars out. and I cut it all of the back part of the trunk out all the way through here. I got to do the doors and the dash. I received my Y&S Lexan glass. I was going to the house and grab those and show y'all. Awesome company, y'all. Very awesome. I accidentally ordered the wrong ones for an EG, and I emailed the guy, and he fixed it. No problems, no questions asked. So we'll be cutting those out and pot riveting those in, and also ordered the quarter panels and the trunk. I am going to keep the stock front windshield in there, and I also gutted the sunroof and put the CCC Racing delete panel. So if anybody needs glass for an EK or a sunroof, just holler at me. They're free. Come get it. All right. Now earlier I talked about how I got rid of the B16. So this is my new engine block. It is a GSR. Now what happened right here was the guy I bought it from, Tyler. The guy he got it from was rocking a fucking eBay log manifold, and ordered to clear the turbo. They had to notch this. So I went ahead and checked it and make sure that it does hold water. So I picked this up for a really good deal. Now I'm just trying to find a local machine shop that can punch these sleeves out and put in the new dark sleeves that I got for this thing, so that that beautiful 4-piston head can sit on this and that we can make some jam. The goal is to make about 500 horsepower. I know the head might be a little bit overkill, but if you do know that the CRV B-Series trans are weak, so they won't hold that much, and I don't want to snap the transfer case or any kind of gears inside of it. So about 500 is what I'm looking to make out of it. Then once I get my dog box trans, which will take me a little while to get, then we can turn this thing all the way up to 1,000 plus. This is what I'm building this for, but like I said, we'll turn it down because of the CRV trans. All right, y'all. So Thomas has arrived. So this is his first time ever seeing a Honda. What do you think about it, man?
Shit. It is shit.
All right, well, screw you. Go take your ass to the house. Now, so Thomas is the main man that's going to be wiring this whole car for me. So when we get done with the doors, and probably sometime next week or so, or whenever I get a chance, we're going to take it to his house, drop it off, and he's going to start on majority of it before he leaves to go to some wiring technician school for military shit.
Something that I've done for 14 years now.
So when it comes to wiring, Thomas knows what he's doing. He wires in like these Apache helicopters, Black Hawks, avionics. Am I correct?
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is, y'all, we're gonna take the fenders off on both sides so that we can get to the doors, and I'm gonna keep the ugly spot on there. You know, kind of like, you know, make it look like a true shit box, but really it's gonna be a badass car. And we're gonna cut all of this out and install our Y&S Lexan Windows. Hold this for a second. All right, y'all, so we got the door cut out. As you just seen, I was going around the edges, trying to round it out. Still got a few little spots, like right inside here. We'll take care of that in a few more minutes. But Thomas just got one of these railings marked, so we're going to cut it right here. Then we're going to install our Y&S Lexan Windows. And I will show you the pot rivets we're going to use so that when you want to do this, you know exactly what size rivets to get. And also make sure when you do it to drill the hole slightly bigger so that when you pop rivet in, it won't bust, because he works for the military and they done that shit and they bust out a bunch of windows. Weren't him, it was just dumbass co-workers.
Yeah, you're right.
y'all. So Cody arrived.
What's up?
So we got done with the doors. Here they are right now. We're not going to put the doors on quite yet because I want to get the K2 quick release handles or hinges. Sorry. As you guys can see, we pot rivet old girl in there, and they weigh probably about 20-30 pounds lighter. I didn't realize these EM1 had double brace, so we kept the double brace in there, and we went ahead and cleaned up the spot right here where all the old RTB or whatever you want to call it at. All right, so for the rivets we used the three. Let's see if they focus. 3/16 with a 1/4 inch gap on it, and hope you guys like my new mullet I got. Shout out to Cletus McFarland. And this is going to end the video today, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, and always see you when I see you. Peace.